What is cryptocurrency? Let's not make it complicated. Think of it like mobile money, but with one big difference. No middleman. No bank. Just you and the internet. You know how you send money to your friend using an app? You tap, you send, they receive. Simple, right? That's how crypto works too. But here's the twist. In mobile money, the app, like Cash App, PayPal, or M-Pesa, controls everything. They track your money. They approve or reject transactions. They're the gatekeeper. Crypto flips that upside down. With cryptocurrency, no one controls your money. Not a company, not a bank, not even the government. You send money directly, person to person, using blockchain technology. So what's blockchain? Imagine a giant notebook in the sky. Everyone can see it. No one can cheat it. Every time someone sends crypto, that notebook updates automatically for the world to see. It's called decentralization. No one owns it. Everyone watches it. That's what makes it powerful. Now let's talk about Bitcoin, the OG of crypto. It's like digital gold. There are only 21 million of them ever. It's limited. It's rare. And people trust it. Then you've got Ethereum, which is like your phone's app store. Except instead of apps, you get smart contracts. Automatic, unstoppable agreements, no lawyers needed. Still with me? Good. Now, why do people love crypto? Because it gives you control. You don't need permission to use it. You can send it anytime, anywhere, to anyone. It's fast, it's global, and it's borderless. But, and this is important, crypto is risky. Prices go up fast, but they also crash hard. It's like riding a roller coaster in the dark. So don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Crypto is not just about money. It's about freedom. It's about the future of finance. And for many people, it's hope for a better system. So, next time someone asks, what is cryptocurrency? Tell them this. It's like mobile money, but without the bank, without the boss, and with a whole lot of possibilities. This is Finance Compass, guiding you through money, one simple truth at a time. Like, share, subscribe if you want more clear, no-nonsense financial explanations.